Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So guys, do you want to create the educational video? And since this month is about the Halloween, how if we make the educational video about the history of the Halloween? Isn't that cool? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that we will use is Google NotebookLM, and here you need to do the login first with your email, and after that you can simply open this platform and you can continue to click this try NotebookLM. So guys, by this NotebookLM you will have the chance to create the educative project. For example, also the video and also the mind map or even the audio guys. And if you would like to create it, then you can start to upload the sources. For example, you can start to upload the sources on PDF format or text, markdown, or even the audio. And also you can upload or attach the link about the history, let's say, of the Halloween. But if you don't have any of that, so you can simply put your request into this section. Let's say click copy text, and after that you can type the history of Halloween, and after that you can continue to click insert and kindly wait for this NotebookLM to generate every information and compile every information into this section. And after that you can continue to click this video overview if you would like to create the video, and you can also create the audio overview also. For example, I will choose this one and kindly wait for the result or the output into this section. However, if you would like to create it from the website, let's say I will searching it for you, the history of Halloween, for example like this. And after that I will go to this section, for example the Maggie's Center. Thank you Maggie's Center, and don't forget to visit this website guys to add your insights and information. For example, I will copy this section and put the link into this section. For example like this, paste the URL and click insert, and also again let this NotebookLM together anything and also the information based on this URL or this website. And after that you can continue to create the video by clicking video overview, and kindly wait for the process. Usually it will take maybe 2 minutes until 5 minutes because it also depends on the complexity of the information that will be provided. And don't worry because I will show you the output. For example, this is the video of the history of lesson of Halloween, and the output will be like this.
We put on crazy... Every year, we do it. We put on crazy costumes, we carve faces into pumpkins.
So the video or the output would be or will have length 6 minutes and 35 seconds. And you can also continue to download it. And after that, this video will be officially saved into your gallery or device and will be ready to be presented. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section because we would love to see your comments there. And also don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.